If you're sick of the same old vegetarian meal, then you're going to love these crispy cauliflower tacos. They are anything but boring, and they are packed with flavor, texture, and spice. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making a 100% vegetarian and paleo dish full of healthy fats. The cauliflower is coated in a breading and baked and then tossed with a sweet and spicy sauce. Plus, we're adding an avocado crema to top them to cool them down. We're going to start by breading and baking the cauliflower. Add 1 1/4 cups of blanched almond flour to a large bowl with a 1/2 cup of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk in 3/4 cup of dairy-free milk until combined, creating a batter-like consistency. Dip each cauliflower floret into the batter, turning until it's completely coated, then place them on a large baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Repeat that process with 6 cups of cauliflower florets. After they're all coated and placed on the baking sheet, bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While they're roasting, whisk together 1 cup of hot sauce and 2 tablespoons of honey in a large bowl. When the cauliflower is done, work in batches to carefully transfer the breaded cauliflower to the hot sauce and toss gently to coat, being careful not to break up the breading. Place them on a separate plate or a piece of parchment paper and repeat until all of them are coated in buffalo sauce. Arrange 12 corn tortilla shells or grain-free tortillas to keep them paleo in an even layer, then brush them on both sides with olive oil. Transfer them to the oven and bake for 2 to 3 minutes until they're warm and pliable. Remove them from the oven, then fill them evenly with the crispy cauliflower coated in the sauce and fold the tacos over, gently pushing them down to adhere. Transfer them to the oven and bake for another 5 minutes. Carefully flip them over and cook for another 5 minutes until the tortillas are crispy. While the tacos are getting crispy, finish by making the avocado crema. Add 2 ripe avocados, 1/3 cup of fresh cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 cloves of garlic, the juice from 1 to 2 limes, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt to a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend or pulse until it's smooth and creamy. Top the cauliflower tacos with crema when you're done. You can also toss some of the crema with pre-shredded coleslaw and add that to the tacos too. Eating your veggies doesn't have to be boring. This meal features crispy, spicy cauliflower, but you're also getting healthy fats and fiber from the avocado crema. This meal checks all of the boxes for a delicious, simple weeknight dinner. If you love this recipe too, drop a comment and hit subscribe. Then check out this buffalo cauliflower dip.